Hello everyone. In this video we will see some different options which are available in this MITMF like JS Keylogger and the screenshotter. This screenshotter will allow you to take a screenshot of a client browsers. So let's start. First you have to check your Python version because we will need the 2.6 or 2.7 version of Python. And first you have to install this package named twisted, so give command as pip install twisted 15.5.0. This twisted will allow you to create a http smtp or a proxy server with very minimum efforts, and we are installing this twisted in a older version of Python because I think there are no twisted package for your latest version of Python. Oh, it's giving error. So let me try some different command. So let's give command as a python dash m pip install twisted, and I hope it will work. Okay. So yeah, here we have successfully installed our twisted package. So now first you have to get the IP of your gateway. So give command nestat-nr, then cd mitmf. This if you are using this submodule, then it won't give you any error of BD factory or any package error. So while entering in this directory, every time you have to give this command, so it won't give you any error. Then we will list out the files, and now we will see this JS keylogger and the screenshotter options. So here you can see the JS keylogger. It injects a JavaScript keylogger, and the next one is screenshotter. It uses HTML5 canvas to render an accurate screenshot. So we are using these two options today. For that you have to give command as dot slash mitmf dot py space dash dash arp space dash dash spoof space dash dash gateway, and enter the IP address of your gateway. Then dash dash target and specify the IP address of your target machine space dash I, and then give your interface name and space dash dash screen, and if you want specify the time, then you have to write space dash dash and time, and if you won't specify any time, by default it will take 10 seconds. Now here our MITMF is working. Now here you can see it's giving some output. Yeah, here it shows that saved screenshot, and it will give all the details like from which operating system it is taken, from which browser type it is taken, and all the details of that screenshot and the format of that screenshot image. So it will give you all the details about that screenshot. Now we will see where our screenshot is saved. For that you have to open your file manager, and you have to select your MITMF folder, and inside this logs you can see that screenshot. Now here is the screenshot of that web page which we have taken from our client browser, and we will move towards our next option, that is the JS keylogger. So let me clear this. Now you have to just change your directory to mitmf, then give command as ./mitmf.py space dash dash arp space dash dash spoof space dash dash gateway, and then specify the IP address of your gateway space dash dash target, and then specify the IP address of your target machine, and then dash I and give your interface name and dash dash JS keylogger. And here we are running your JS keylogger. It shows the sites which are visited by this client, or which that client is visiting now. Now here you can see one line, that is a JS keylogger injected JS file on this specified site. Injecting a JS file means insert, or you can use your own JavaScript code for that page. Either you can just write that code, or you can just find the cross-site scripting for that page. We will see details about JS keylogger in next videos. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, just comment me and I will solve your doubt for sure.